on my plate. And I have actually a very old-fashioned tool. This is the end of a broomstick, but I think you actually can buy these in the store. My father, this is handed down from my father. He made this for my mother many years ago. It fits perfectly inside the cylindrical shaped dough that comes out of the machine. And then what I'm going to do is I'm going to press the ends, just so. And I don't want to have too many fingerprints on my kibbeh. I want to have them fairly gently touching. And I can see the dough is a little dry, so I'm going to use my water just to close it up. I don't want the dough to be too wet. And now I have the bottom closed. I'm going to take my teaspoon and I'm going to start to fill them. Now when you're filling them, you want to tap it down with the other end of your teaspoon, because otherwise you're going to have air in there, and you want to make sure that these are pretty tightly filled, almost to the top. You can see how it's filled almost to the top. And now what I'm going to do is I'm going to take my thumb and my forefinger and I'm going to push it around like that and make sure that I have no holes in the dough. And voila, we have a kibbeh. I'm going to place it on my tray, go to the next one. So you can see I'm closing the ends, just so. I don't want to overhandle it. I want to be very gentle. I have my hollow shape. One end is closed, one end is open, and I'm going to fill it. Really, in Sephardic cooking, if you can make kibbeh, you have passed a major test, because women are often judged in our culture by their ability to make kibbeh. If you can manage this particular skill, you've really accomplished a very, very high level of cooking. Again, I'm taking my thumb and forefinger. I'm going around to close it. And I like to have a little point. It's something that my grandmother always had, just a slight point. And again, it's finished. This is ready for freezing. And what we usually do is we deep fry these and eat them with lemon. You can see them on the tray here. Whoops.